We do translations right, with a world of languages at our fingertips. Imagine your company doing business all over the world. Imagine having a global market, communicating with people who speak many other languages besides the one that you speak. Imagine an increase in sales like never before. How can this be, you may ask? Great question indeed. Many companies find that communicating in multiple languages expands their business and engagement with their customers. It's important to understand how effective translation services can be used to reach out to your target audience and help you expand into foreign markets. With the right blend of translation, you can also boost your online sales. When you are able to expand your reach into the global marketplace, the sales potential of your company grows exponentially. Unfortunately, many companies desiring to expand into other markets face a common problem. That problem, or barrier, is language. Any company that wishes to do business in foreign markets or companies wishing to expand into foreign markets should have their company documents, websites, apps, books, software, manuals, and other marketing materials translated in order to have a positive, beneficial result. Professional Translations Incorporated is here to take you to that international level. Don't limit yourself or your business. There are many coaches out there ready and willing to buy what you are selling if you only can communicate it with them in their language. Give us a call today at 1-850-763-1425. Visit us online at www.professionaltranslations-inc.com. We do translations right, with the world of languages at our fingertips.